Hi everyone, today is all about our back-ordered parts and that stuff. So we're clocking in at 103 degrees in the garage right now, and what I need to do is get prepared for spraying some paint tomorrow in a real paint booth. And it's going to be kind of hectic because I actually have a job in the morning, and then I have like a 4-hour window and then a job at night. And so we're going to try to jam this in between that time. And I'm going to have to do that multiple times to get through everything, but that's the situation. So what I want to do is take all these parts that have been sanded, kind of blow them off, put them into a box, and then load the van with everything that I need to do to take with me tomorrow. In fact, I'll load that tomorrow morning. I won't load it tonight because it's still super hot outside, and I don't want all those chemicals and products in my van, in that kind of heat. The other thing is I got a few boxes from Factory 5, which are supposedly my back-ordered parts. Now, there's a few things like my other hood that they're supposed to replace and things like that. That's coming pretty soon, but I would say 95% of the parts that were back-ordered all came in 2 packages today. So we're going to go through that. And originally I was like, hey, it's Factory 5 Christmas, yay! And then I was like, no, it's Factory 5 inventory, 1 more hour. But no, I'm totally happy. This stuff's going to be great, and we'll go through it together and see what I got. So I was out there like 3-5 minutes maybe, blowing that stuff off, and I'm just like drenched. It's like the total heat of the day, 103 in the garage. I'm sure outside the direct sunlight it's probably like 115 or something like that, with the actual sunlight heat. But yeah, it's just totally crazy. So, time for inventory. Certificate of origin. My nemesis. So all in all, not too bad. The only things I'm missing now is my rear calipers, some clamps to hook on my exhaust, and 1 fastener pack for my pedal box, which I'm not even sure I need at this point, but they were missing in the original inventory, so I told them to send them anyways. And that's about it. It's still 100 degrees in here. It's coming down like crazy. But all in all, a good day. Got most of our stuff. Hopefully we'll be doing some spraying tomorrow. So the friend that's helped me out with this, it's kind of if he could get the paint booth cleared out tomorrow, then we're gonna do it. And if not, then we'll wait till another time. So I basically have to load everything up, drive to work for a few hours, and then just be on the call to see if we're going or not. So a lot of prep, and hopefully there's a payoff on it. So hoping that we get in there and spray tomorrow. Appreciate it. Till next time, have a great day.